Coronavirus, computer virus, NerdsToGo. What do those things have in common? Well, surprisingly, quite a bit. I'm Woody Huffines. I own the NerdsToGo in McKinney and Frisco, Texas. And one of the things that we've been concerned about as a country is the coronavirus. And I got to thinking, what are the differences between the coronavirus and the computer virus, and what are the likenesses? And it turns out there's probably a lot more things that are alike than are different. That's why computer problems are called viruses, because like a virus they spread, and like a virus they can be really severe or mild, and like a virus you want to keep from getting them. So how are the coronavirus and the computer virus the same? Well, the first thing is, if you have a computer and you want to protect it from getting a computer virus, you take some antiviral steps. You install an antivirus. We're doing the same thing as a society right now to keep the spread of coronavirus down. We take antiviral steps. We wash our hands, we maintain social distance, and we don't touch our eyes, nose, or mouth. The same thing is true for NerdsToGo. Our focus, and it doesn't matter whether you go into a NerdsToGo in McKinney, Texas, or League City, Texas, or Charlotte, North Carolina, or Denver, Colorado, or Guilford, Connecticut, well, whatever NerdsToGo you go into, we're focused on making our customers' lives better, making their technology work for them. Well, in the same way we want to make your technology work for you, we want to help you and us stop the spread of the coronavirus wherever we can. So we've taken steps, both individually as franchisees and along with discussions with corporate, to change our process a little bit as we look at computers and fix computers, and mostly that involves disinfection. We're going to disinfect your computer when we get it. We'll disinfect your computer before we work on it, and we'll disinfect your computer after we work on it. And we'll disinfect ourselves at each of those steps, and we'll wipe down the common areas with disinfectant for each customer that comes in. Because we are concerned about our customers, not only their computers, but the customers themselves, because that's what we do, that's our focus. The second thing that you know about the coronavirus and computer viruses is that we can come to you. If you have a computer virus and you want us to come to your home or small business, we can come fix it. And the same thing's true right now when you're trying to maintain social distance. You have the opportunity to call NerdsToGo. We'll come to you, disinfect ourselves, disinfect our van, disinfect your computer, and work on your computer in your home. So if maintaining social distance is important to you, we can come to you to solve your computer problem that you have right now, and that might be really important, because just like with a computer virus, one of the things that you want to do is have a backup. So if a computer virus does something you don't want it to do, you have a backup that can get you up and running as quickly as possible. If, for example, you get quarantined because of the coronavirus, you need to have a backup as well. And not a backup of your data, but a backup plan as to how you're going to connect, how to connect to your office, how to connect to other computers. And we can help you do those things that you need to do to maintain the business or the things that you want to do with your technology should you get quarantined. It's another backup. The bottom line here is that NerdsToGo wants to be your trusted advisor. We want to help you accomplish the things you need to accomplish in the simplest, most straightforward way. If you're interested in more information or want to read some of this data, if you go to our website, NerdsToGo.com, there's a banner across the top of the page that talks about the policies and procedures that we've put into place during this coronavirus pandemic to make sure that we do the things that keep you safe and keep us safe, and generally keep everybody safe by holding down the spread of that coronavirus. So, first, remember, just like a computer virus, there's antiviral things that you can do. We're doing those antiviral things when we disinfect the computers and the equipment and all the stuff that we disinfect. The second thing is that if you're maintaining social distance, we can come to you. You don't have to come to our store. That's why we have nerds and nerd vans. We can come to you and fix the problem that you got. And third, just like a backup plan for a computer virus, you might want to have a backup plan for how you will connect remotely to whatever computers you need to connect to, which means your home network and home infrastructure needs to be in place to do that. If the worst thing happens and you get quarantined, just like having a backup of your data, if the worst thing happens and you get a computer virus, you got a backup plan and we can help you with that. The most important thing for all of this is we want everyone to be safe. We want you to be safe technologically. We want you to be safe physically. If you have any questions, please contact NerdsToGo. You can contact your local NerdsToGo. You can contact NerdsToGo McKinney Ask us any questions you have about what we're doing and how we're doing it. We'll be happy to explain it to you. Because, as I said at the front, what we want to do is be trusted advisors for our clients and our customers. Give us a call if you have a question. I'm Woody Huffines. I own the NerdsToGo in McKinney and Frisco, Texas.